Okay, so the third daily routine of the masters that I'm super excited to share with you is the 90-90-1 rule. And the 90-90-1 rule really reminds us of a very simple idea, which is you don't want to use your best hours for your lowest leverage activities. And a lot of people, what they do is they get to the office. And in my mind, when you get to the office first thing in the morning, that's showtime. Here's what the science says. First thing in the morning, when you get to the office, you have your highest level of energy, you have your highest level of willpower, and you have your highest level of focus. I call those the trinity of peak performance assets. Your energy, your willpower, and your focus. I'm going to repeat that again because it's really important to think about. Imagine like a triangle, the trinity of your peak performance assets. Your mental focus. Focus is more valuable than intelligence in this world right now. Your willpower. Willpower is important. You might have great goals, great ambitions, great dreams. If you can't execute via willpower, you're not going to get anything done. And the final asset is your physical energy. Again, you can have great ideas, but if you don't have the energy to get them done, you're not going to get it done. So my point is those three assets are at their highest, according to science, first thing in the morning. And yet a lot of people, what they do is they get to the office and rather than remembering it's showtime, bring on your A game first thing in the morning, they check their email, they check their notifications, they chit-chat at the water cooler, they get distracted, and when you get distracted, you get depleted. And then you wonder why you're not getting traction on your ambitions and setting the world on fire. And so the 90-90-1 rule is a powerful ritual to install. Remember, 66 days of practicing it until it becomes a way of being. 66 days of practicing it until it becomes automatic and you don't have to use any willpower to run it. And what is the 90-90-1 rule? It's simply this. For the next 90 days, I encourage you to spend your first 90 minutes at work focused on your single biggest opportunity to move the needle in your industry. Okay, so the 90-90-1 rule. You get to the office, turn off your notifications, shut your door if you have a door, but the key is really this. Find 90 minutes at the beginning of your day to focus on your one core project that if you did it at world class, at Picasso level, you would be the Lady Gaga of your industry, or you would be the Jay-Z or the Kanye or the Rembrandt or the Messi or whoever it is that inspires you, but you would own the game because that's a lot of what this program is about. It's about helping you lift your life to rare air by running these protocols, but also allowing you to be so good at what you do that when we watch you do it, tears come to our eyes. Like tears will come to your eyes if you were to go to the Sistine Chapel and look up at Michelangelo's ceiling, okay? And the 90-90-1 rule is a really powerful routine to wire in over the next 66 days if you truly want to be a master.